Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate beginner's blueprint to the Roblox ecosystem. If you've ever looked at this platform and thought, where do I even start? Well, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're tearing down the misconceptions and exploring Roblox not just as a single video game, but as a massive, ever-evolving virtual universe.
Okay, let's dive right into this. It's pretty crucial to understand that Roblox isn't your standard video game. It's actually this massive, living online ecosystem where you can access millions, and I mean literally millions, of user-created experiences. From intense obstacle courses and racing games to incredibly detailed role-playing servers, the sheer scale of the platform means there is truly something for everyone. But hey, with that mind-blowing scale comes the need for a solid foundation before you jump in.
So, consider this your digital manual. We're going to cover the whole shebang, from welcome to Roblox and getting set up, to avatars and PC controls, exploring games and parties, and finally, Robux, user safety, and setting up parental controls.
All right, Section 1, welcome to Roblox and getting set up. Let's make sure you've got your golden ticket to the arcade ready to go.
The cool thing is, Roblox is super accessible across Apple, Android, and Amazon devices. But if you're on an older Android device, it can be a little tricky. Just pay close attention to the warnings. If you see a skippable warning, you might just get a bit of lag. But an unskippable warning, that means your hardware simply can't load the world, unfortunately. Oh, and a quick pro tip for you, always try to stick to a solid Wi-Fi connection instead of cellular. It makes a world of difference for a smooth run. So, once your device is sorted, setting up an account is totally free and literally takes seconds. Just hit the Roblox homepage, follow the prompts to enter your details, and pick a unique username, and click Sign Up. That's it. Creating this one free account is basically your master key. It instantly unlocks the Roblox app for playing those millions of experiences, and Roblox Studio, which is this incredibly powerful engine where you can actually build your own worlds.
Moving on to Section 2, avatars and PC controls. Time to craft your digital identity and, well, figure out how to actually walk around without getting stuck.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how deep the customization goes. You aren't just stuck picking boring presets. If you jump into the advanced menu and use specific asset IDs, you can actually layer up to 10 items at once. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. You can easily swap gear out in the recent pull-down menu and perfectly match your skin tone on your head and body. Honestly, since your avatar represents you across all these different worlds, getting your look totally right is half the fun. Now, if you've never played a game on a PC before, you might spawn in and just kind of stare at a wall. Don't worry, your digital legs are the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard. W moves you forward, S pulls you backward, A goes left, and D goes right. It's the absolute standard 4-key layout, and getting comfortable with it is absolutely crucial. Beyond just walking, there are a few other shortcuts you'll definitely want to know. Hit the spacebar to jump, and hold Shift while moving to sprint. Want to look around? Just click and hold the right mouse button. But honestly, the absolute most important trick? The mouse wheel. If you ever accidentally zoom in way too close and get trapped in first-person view, which is a classic beginner mistake, trust me, just scroll backward to pop the camera back out. Oh, and use ESC to pull up your game menu and hit Tab to quickly toggle the player list on or off.
Okay, Section 3, exploring games and parties. You know how to walk now, so where do you go, and how do you bring your friends along for the ride?
With millions of experiences out there, choosing where to start can feel totally overwhelming. So, let's look at two massive, incredibly beginner-friendly options, Brookhaven RP and Adopt Me. Brookhaven is all about social roleplay in this big modern town. You can own a house, drive cars, and really just hang out. Adopt Me, on the flip side, is super focused on progression, collecting, creating, raising virtual pets, and building a family home. Putting these two side by side is actually a great way to figure out your play style. Ask yourself, are you more of a social role player or a hardcore collector?
Now, let's talk about the brand new party system, because this is a real game changer. It brilliantly solves the oldest headache in Roblox, trying to get your entire friend group into the exact same server at the exact same time, only to end up completely lost. Now the platform literally does all the coordination for you. Setting it up is ridiculously smooth. Just open the app, head to the Party tab, and click the plus button to grab up to 6 friends. Click Join, pick an experience, and boom, your whole squad is transported and spawns in the exact same spot. No more wandering around. And hey, for users 13 and older, you can text chat right in the party, and official voice chat support is actually on the horizon.
All right, moving to Section 4, Robux and user safety.
Now, this part is absolutely vital for everyone, especially parents, to understand the platform's economy and keeping things secure.
I want you to look at this number. 0. That is exactly how many legitimate free Robux generators actually exist on the internet. 0. Robux is the official virtual currency of the ecosystem, and while you can definitely earn it legitimately through creating experiences or selling avatar items, any website, any app, or any player that promises you free Robux for a click or a password is a scam. Period. There are no exceptions.
Keeping your account vault safe really just comes down to good internet hygiene. Never, ever share your password, not even with your best friend. And please make it hard to guess. If your username is blockscool, your password absolutely cannot be blockscool123. Just ignore players offering unofficial Robux, be super cautious when chatting with strangers, and honestly, the absolute best thing you can do? Turn on two-step verification. It puts a really powerful extra lock on your account.
Which brings us to Section 5, Setting Up Parental Controls. If you're a parent or guardian tuning in, this is your direct guide to putting up those crucial guardrails. And this brilliantly illustrates the Roblox settings menu, which basically puts all the power right in your hands. You can set firm restrictions on exactly who your child can chat with, filter out inappropriate content, manage their social links, and even strictly limit or completely turn off in-app purchasing for Robux.
But you might be wondering, how do you make sure those settings actually stay locked? Well, you set up a 4-digit parental PIN. Once you enable this, literally no one can bypass or change the safety features you just set up without knowing that exact PIN. It's an incredible peace of mind, ensuring kids can't just sneak in and turn off the restrictions on their own.
Another really powerful tool under that PIN umbrella is the Allowed Experiences feature. You see, Roblox actively evaluates its games based on content maturity, so instead of letting a younger player wander into the default 13+ experiences, a parent can step in and essentially curate the entire arcade. You can lock the account strictly to 9+ or all ages content, giving you the confidence that their gameplay is totally age-appropriate. Finally, it's absolutely crucial to teach players how to protect themselves in real time. If someone is bothering you while you're playing, it's an easy fix. Just open the player list up in the top corner, find their name, and hit the block button. It's that little circle with a line through it. Poof, they're gone. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, the complete beginner's blueprint. With your digital identity completely personalized, your PC controls mastered, your party all linked up, and those essential safety nets securely in place, well, the possibilities are literally endless. So I'll leave you with this. What world are you going to conquer first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and have an absolutely amazing time exploring the ecosystem.